Hi, this is Lynn from Kathy Quilts, and today I want to talk about the rest of December of 2024. And right now there's the accessory pack that you get when you purchase a new machine. So you don't want to wait. That accessory pack, which includes a free light bar and I think it's a 16 pack of thread, and has some cutting tools. So really awesome pack to get you up and running, and it's a good bonus. But they're not going to be doing those bonus packs next year, so you don't want to miss out. Anyway, I hope that you have a great holiday season. You can see I'm wearing my Disneyland sweater, which I wear like twice a year. Anyway, I hope you have a really great time with your family and friends, and think about the reason for this season, which is Jesus Christ. And so hopefully he'll bring light to your life. Thanks, and we've had a great year, and we appreciate all of our people that watched. And please leave comments below if you have questions. So thanks for watching.